And still me, Senjaaldee. Now we are going for a sunset in Seminyak. And now this is, I don't know whether this is Seminyak or LEGIAN. I think this is border Seminyak and LEGIAN. Still in Corona, of course. It's just beautiful day. We're going to grab a beer and watching the sunset going down. Do you know that sunsets never change? Even with Corona. Enjoy! Hi guys! Wow, seems Cocoon is changed to jungle space now. It is surprising that Cocoon changed into Jungle Space Club in this pandemic, but well, it's still very nice though. And that is Double Six Hotel. Huge horse, beautiful. He's so handsome. It's just weird. And suddenly, a horse coming is just super weird. Only happened in Bali. Look at all this promotion. No, this promotion here, but nobody's there, nobody go. So sad. Beautiful promotion display. And this is all restaurant by the seaside. Rainy season here in Bali, but we are lucky. Today is very hot and the sky is really bright blue, not so many clouds. So yesterday was raining hard, so good. I hope the sunset is good today. LEGIAN to Seminyak, and this is the entry of the Seminyak Beach. Ah. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Stay safe. Bye bye.